Hi friends, happy November. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Maddie and today we're going to be making stuffing. If you know me, you know stuffing is my favorite part of Thanksgiving, so this had to be the first Thanksgiving recipe that I uploaded. I personally think that my stuffing recipe is amazing. This is how my mom used to make it, and now I am in charge of bringing stuffing to our family Thanksgiving, so I wanted to share the recipe with you guys. This is a perfect side to accompany all of your other Thanksgiving dishes, or you can just make this stuffing and eat it by itself because it's that good. In my opinion, the sides are the best part of Thanksgiving, and I have a few more recipes to share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get into making the stuffing because my mouth is literally watering talking about it. Just pulled this out of the oven, so it is steaming. I love this because like there's some like soft, more soggy bits, and then you get like the crunchy top toasty bits. I have not had this since last year and my mouth is watering so much I'm literally about to drool. So I'm gonna eat this. The level of comfort that just gave me, like, oh my god. You have to make this stuffing for your Thanksgiving, or just make it in general. I really don't understand why stuffing is not a food that is consumed all year round. Oh, like, this is absurd. I really did that. Now I want mashed potatoes and mac and cheese and all of the Thanksgiving things. Honestly, all the food that I've made on this channel has been really good, but this is the first that has made me do like a happy food dance, so. That's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my first Thanksgiving recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!